first chapter I taught in 10th standard, right? Arithmetic progression. So total weightage on this chapter 7 marks. Am I right? One mark question, 1 mark 1 question, 2 mark 1 question, and at last 4 mark 1 question. And this 4 mark question is a application based question. So total weightage 7 marks, and the typologies of questions 1 mark 1 question, 2 mark 1 question, 4 mark 1 question. So what is arithmetic progression? Huh? Definition. What is arithmetic progression? Define AP. A progression in which the difference between two consecutive terms is same. So such a progression is called arithmetic progression. So in arithmetic progression, first term is denoted by A. First term is A. Second term A plus B. Third term A plus 3D. So on A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the general form of arithmetic progression. 2D. A plus A plus B, A plus 2D, so on A plus n minus 1 into D. So this is the general form of an AP. Okay. So here this A plus n minus 1 into D is the last term. This is T1, first term, second term, third term, so on Tn. What is Tn? Nth term of an arithmetic progression. What is Tn? Nth term of an AP. So nth term of an AP is denoted by Tn. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, where n represents number of terms, and A represents first term, and D represents common difference. Okay. So after this, sum of n terms of an AP, sum of n terms of an AP, and the formula is Sn is equal to n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1 to D. Sn is equal to n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Here again n represents what? Number of terms in an AP, and A represents first term, and D represents common difference, and Sn sum of n terms of an AP, sum of n terms of an AP. The next concept, important formulae related to sum of n terms of an AP. Important formulae. So these formulas are important for 1 mark. Important formulae. Okay. So the first formula, sum of n terms of an AP, Sn is equal to n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Sum of n terms of an AP, and sum of first natural numbers. How to calculate sum of first n natural numbers? So the formula is Sn is equal to n into n plus 1 upon 2. Am I right? Sum of first n natural numbers. For example, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus so on plus 100, so on plus 200. There n represents number of terms. 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus so on plus 100. So the number of terms in this AP is 100. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus so on plus 200. So last term is 200. Therefore, total number of terms in an AP is 200. And the formula is Sn is equal to n into n plus 1 upon 2. Instead of n, just you have to substitute number of terms, that is 200. Then the third formula, sum of first n odd numbers or n integers. Sum of first n integers. Like 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus so on. These are called sum of first odd integers. Sum of first odd integers. Then the formula is Sn is equal to n square. For example, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. How many are there? 5 are there. 5 square is 25. You can add all these. 1 plus 3, 4. Correct? 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 7, 16. 16 plus 9, 25. So instead of adding each and every number. So directly we can use the formula, that is Sn is equal to n square. And then the next formula, Sn is equal to n into n plus 1. So this is the formula used to calculate sum of first even integers. For example, 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8, so on. You can take first two even numbers. 2 plus 4. Correct? 4 plus 2, 6. How many terms are there? 2 plus 4. How many are there? 2 terms. You can substitute 2 here. Instead of here, you can take 2. 2, 2 plus 1, 3. 2 3 is 6. Then the last one, Sn is equal to n upon 2 a plus l. A plus l or tn. A plus tn. So this is the formula used to calculate when the first term and last term given in an input. Okay. So do you have any doubts here? Very simple. The first one is definition. What is definition? Arithmetic progression. Any progression, the difference between any two consecutive terms, the difference between any two consecutive terms are same. So such a progression is called arithmetic progression. And the general form of an AP, a plus d, a plus 2d, so on, a plus n minus 1 into d is called general form of an AP. Here, that a plus n minus 1 into d is called the last term, that is tn. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Then after that, sum of n terms of an AP, Sn is equal to n upon 2 a plus n minus 1 into d is called sum of, is the formula. So such formula is called sum of n terms of an AP. Then after that, Sn is equal to n into n plus 1 upon 2. So this is the formula used to calculate sum of first n natural numbers, and Sn is equal to n square. So this is the formula used to calculate sum of first odd integers. Sn is equal to n into n plus 1. This is the formula used to calculate sum of first even integers, and Sn is equal to n upon 2a plus l. And this formula we can use when the first term and last term of an AP given in the progression. Okay. So any doubts here? No. So let's take few examples. So first easy questions you can take, then later average, then after that difficult. If the nth term of an AP, 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 Tn is equal to 4n plus 1. Tn is equal to 4n plus 1. Then find the first three terms. Then find the first three terms. First three. Then find the first three terms. Then find the first three terms. Yes, sir. So first you substitute 1, T1, first three terms they say. T1, 4 1s are 4 plus 1, 5. T1 is 5. T2, 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9. T3, 13. 4 3s are 12 plus 1, 13. So this is your answer. Simple question. Okay. So one more we can take now. Find how many terms of the AP. Find how many terms of the AP. Find how many terms of the AP. Of the AP. 3, 6, 9. So on. Find how many terms of the AP. 3, 6, 9. So on. Must be added. Must be added to get the sum 165. To get the sum 165. So let me read question again. Find how many terms of the AP. Find how many terms of the AP. 3, 6, 9, so on must be added to get the sum 165. So here 165 is a SN it is. Correct. And progression is given. You need to calculate what? Number of terms. How many terms? Means number of terms you need to calculate. That number of terms is nothing but N. Okay? Yes. Yes, the progression is given where 3, 6, 9, so on. How many terms? To get added the sum 165. So here 165 is SN. So SN is 165 and A is 3 and the common difference is also 3. The difference between any two consecutive terms is also same, that is 3. Okay. So the formula SN is equal to N upon 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D. SN is 165. Yeah, anybody get the answer? Did you get the answer? Anyone? No one. Okay. So N upon 2 into bracket 2 into A is 3 plus N minus 1 and D is 3. Am I right? Am I right? Okay, now. So 165, these two I can take to right hand side. It become multiplication to left hand side. Left hand side. This right hand side too I can take to left hand side. It become multiplication. And N I will write as it is. And after that 3 is common here. See, 3 is common, take it outside. 3 into bracket. 2 plus remaining term 2 plus N minus 1. 2 plus N minus 1. So do not multiply 165 into 2. So here 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 is completely divisible by 3. So I cancel this 165 by 3. 3 ones are, 3 fives are 15. 1 is reminder, it become 15. Again 3 fives are 15. Am I right? So 55 twos are 110 is equal to N into bracket. N into bracket 2 minus 1, 1 plus N right as it is. So now you need to multiply this N to this bracket. 110 is equal to N ones are N plus N ends are N square. We got the quadratic equation. N plus N square is a quadratic form. Okay. So now what we do? This 110 we can take to right hand side, or N square plus N we can take to left hand side. It becomes N square plus N minus 110 is equal to 0. Am I right? N square plus N minus 110 is equal to 0. See, this equation is looks like a quadratic equation and it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here a is 1, b is 1 and c is 110. Now we need to find the factors of 110 whose product become 110 and sum become 1. 10 11s are 11 10s are 110. 11 minus 10 1. So easily we got the factors. So n square plus this n is there, no? This n I can write as 11n minus 10n. 11 minus 10 again you will get n minus 110 is equal to 0. First two terms one pair and last two terms another pair. In first pair n is common, n into bracket n plus 11. So in second pair 10 is common, minus 10 take it outside, minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus is equal to 0. So n plus 11, n plus 11 is common, take it outside, n plus 11 and remaining term n minus 10 is equal to 0. So here two solutions we have. One is n plus 1 is equal to 0 or n minus 10 is equal to 0. So n is equal to minus 11 or n is equal to plus 10. N is equal to plus 10. As we all know that n is always a positive integer. N is not a negative integer. N is not a decimal number. Therefore, the correct answer is 10. Total how many terms are there in this epi? 10. 10 terms add up to 165. Okay. So any doubts here? Any doubts? How many people got the same answer? Not bad. What about this side? Lay last bench. Hopeless. Yes, next. Next question you can note down. Find which term of the arithmetic progression. Find which term. Find which term of the arithmetic progression. Find find which term of the arithmetic progression. 2 comma 7, 2 comma 7 comma 12, 2 comma 7 comma 12, so on is 47, is 47 using a formula, using a formula. Find which term of the arithmetic progression 2 comma 7 comma 12 so on is 47, 47 is 47 using formula, using formula. Let me write the question here. 2 comma 7 comma 12 so on. Which term of the progression is 47? Which term of the progression is 47? Yeah. So it's not some here. Which term of the progression is 47? This example is different and this one is different. 47 is what? Gn. Correct? And A is 2. B is 7 minus 2, 5. Use the formula. Gn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Easily will get the answer. Which term of the progression is 47? 10th. Okay, 10th term of the progression is 47. Next, you can take the sum of first six terms, the sum of the sum of first six terms, the sum of first six terms in an arithmetic progression, in an arithmetic progression is 114, is 114. The sum of first six terms in an arithmetic progression is 114. Full stop, continue. If the sum of first five terms, first five terms of the progression is 80, of the progression is 80, then find the progression, then find the progression. Let me repeat, the sum of first six terms in an arithmetic progression is 114. Full stop, continue. If the sum of first five terms of the progression is 80, then find the progression. Then find the progression. The sum of first six terms of an AP. So first six terms are A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D, A plus 5D. These are the sum of first six terms. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sum of first six terms of an AP is 114. Is 114. Can I add all A? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6A, correct? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6A. And now you can add all D. 2D plus D, 3D. 3D, 3D, 6D. 6D, 4D, 10D. 10D, 5D, 15D. 15D is equal to 114. Am I right? 3 is common here. Take it outside. 3 into bracket. Remaining term 2A plus 3 5s are 15. 5D is equal to 114. 2A plus 5D is equal to 3 1 are 3. 3s are 9. Reminder 2. Next is 4 24. 3 8s are 24. So 2A plus 5D is equal to 38. Am I right? The next, again question continues. If the sum of first five terms of the progression is 80, sum of first five terms means A plus D plus A plus 2D plus A plus 3D plus A plus 4D is equal to is equal to 80. Is equal to 80. Okay. So now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times of A plus 4D plus 3D 70. 70 plus 2D 90. 90 plus D 10 is equal to 80. 5 is common. Take it outside. 5 into bracket. A plus 2D is equal to 80. 5 ones are 5 16 are 16 5 are 80. So now A plus 2D is equal to 16. Call it as the equation number 1 and A is equal to 16 minus 2D. Call it as the equation number 2. Okay. Put the value of A in equation number 1. How many have to solve this? Okay. What answer you got? Then find the progression they said, right? Yes. So put A value in equation number 1. Put A value in equation number 1. In equation number 1. So here 2 into bracket. A is 16 minus 2D. 16 minus 2D plus 5D is equal to 38. 16 2s are 32 minus 2 2s are 4D plus 5D is equal to 38. Minus 4D plus 5D, D. D is equal to 38 minus 32. So D is equal to 6. Same answer did you get? Okay. The next, put D value in equation number 2. Equation number 2 is A is equal to 16 minus 2 into 6. 2 into 6. So A is equal to 16 minus 6 to the 12. So A is equal to 4. 16 minus 12 is 4. Asked to write the progression, correct? A plus D. A is 4. 4 plus 6, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. 4, 10, 16 is your progression. How many have you got this answer? This side, not solving it all. Plus. Why are you coming to school? I don't know. Next. The seventh term of an AP is 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 4 times its second term. The seventh term of an AP is 4 times its second term. 4 times its second term. Stop, continue. If the 12th term is if the 12th term is 2 more than if the 12th term is 2 more than thrice the fourth term. If the 12th term is 2 more than thrice the fourth term, thrice the fourth term, then find the AP. Then find the AP. So let me read the question again. The seventh term of an AP is 4 times its second term. 4 times its second term. Stop, continue. If the 12th term is 2 more than 2 more than thrice the fourth term, 2 more than thrice the fourth term, then find the AP. Then find the AP. Let's do it. Yes, anybody get the answer? Sampath. 258. Right? Yes. How many people got 258? No, you not get the answer. 258, right? Yes. Again, anybody? It's not 258. Okay. Next, one more question you can note down. Find the arithmetic progression. Find the arithmetic progression. Find the arithmetic progression. Whose third term is 16? Find the arithmetic progression. Whose third term is D3? Third term is 16. And the seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. Seventh term exceeds fifth term fifth term by 12. This is the expression. See, the equation is third term of an AP is 16 and the seventh term exceeds fifth term by 12. Fifth term by 12. Yeah, you can find the AP. Find the AP. Simple. So T3 you can write in the form of A and D. A plus 2D is equal to 16. So similarly, T7 also we can write in the form of A and D. A plus 6D is equal to A plus 4D plus 12. So A get cancel here. 6D here will be 6D minus 4D is equal to 12. 6D minus 4D, 2D. 2D is equal to 12. 2 ones are 2 sixes are. So D is equal to 6. Put D value in equation number 1. So the equation number 1 is A plus 2D is equal to 16. A plus 2 into D is 6 is equal to 16. A plus 2 sixes are 12 is equal to 16. So A is equal to 16 minus 12. So A is equal to 4. And asked to write the AP. So A is 4 and D is 6 and 16. 4, 10, 16. Correct? How many people got this? Simple one. I think it's a textbook example, right? Yes. Next question you can write. Next question. The digits of a three-digit number. The digits of a three-digit number. The digits of a three-digit number are in arithmetic progression. The digits of a three-digit number are in arithmetic progression, and the sum of the digits is 15. And the sum of the digits is 15. Sum of the digits is 15. To stop, continue. If the digits of a units place, if the digits, if the digits of a units place, and hundreds place are interchanged, are interchanged, then the number obtained is, then the number obtained is 594 less than the original number. The digits of a three-digit number are in arithmetic progression, and the sum of the digits is 15. Sum of the digits is 15. If the digits of units place and hundred place are interchanged, then the number obtained is 594 less than the original number. Less than the original number. Find the original number is the question. Find the original number. See here, hint I will give. There is a one three-digit number, and the digits are in an AP. Imagine ABC is a one three-digit number. ABC is a one three-digit number. Correct. And here these three digits are in an AP. Means the difference between any two consecutive terms are same. First condition. And next, sum of digits is 15. Sum of the digits. Sum of all these digits. A plus B plus C is 15. Sum of digits is 15. And question continues. If the digits of units place and hundred place are interchanged, here we interchange the units place and hundreds place. So it becomes CBA. Interchange. Then the number obtained is 594. Then the number obtained is 594 less than the original number. ABC minus 594 less than the original number. Then find the number. Then find the original number. So it already have given. Yeah. Yes. You see how many of you solve this question. Interesting. Yes, anybody? Yes, can I try? Or will you solve? Anyone? So one hint I can say. First, A, B, C are in an AP. Let's imagine it's the first term, second term, and third term. First term, second term, third term. So now I imagine that A is the first number, A plus B is the second number, and A plus 2D is the third number. A plus 2D is the third number. Number. It's term. T1, T2, T3. These three terms in an AP. So now I imagine that A plus B, A plus 2B are the three numbers. Okay, are the three numbers. So here, sum of the three numbers is 15. A plus A plus B plus A plus 2B is equal to 15. Am I right? So A, 3 times of A plus 3 times of B is equal to 15. 3 is common, 3 into bracket. A plus B is equal to 15. 3 1 that 5 that. So A plus B is equal to what? Huh? 5. A plus B is 5. Am I right? A plus B is which digit? This second digit. Okay. So now, here what they have given, when they interchange the units place and hundreds place, the number obtained is 594 less than the original number. Then ask to find the original number. Then ask to find the original number. Again, you will get one more here. So this you can write. Huh? Again, you will get one more number. Which one? One more equation in the form of A and D. Okay, that you can. And how you will take the CB and ABC? ABC is there here. A means what? First term A. B means second term A plus B. C means A plus 2D. It's a three-digit number. You can expand three-digit number. How? For example, 354 is one three-digit number. How can you expand this? Expansion of 354. 3 plus 5 plus 4? No. 3 into 100 because 3 is in hundreds place plus 5 into 10 plus 4 into 1. So similarly, A is what? First place, that 100A plus 10 into a plus b. Already we got that 5. Then next 1 into a plus 2d. In this way you can write this. And here CBA. Same. CBA. Same means a plus 2d. 100 into a plus 2d plus b. Already you got that 5. Plus a. A means again it is a only. Is equal to again expanded. Then 594 you will get the answer. Very simple. Do not get confused. Do it fast. Yes, anyone? Without using this condition, I can solve this example. Without using this condition. So you know, I got a plus b, that is 5. Correct? A is equal to what? 5 minus d I will take. A is equal to 5 minus d. That you substitute there means what? You will get one answer. Correct? 5 minus d, 5 minus d, 5 minus d. Here 5 minus d, 5 minus d, 5 minus d will get. No. Instead of a, 5 minus d plus, instead of a, 5 minus d plus d will get cancelled. Use this condition and solve. We'll see. Here you are wrong, man. 100 into a plus 2d. A plus d already what now? Why? Why we didn't substitute that? Huh? 200d minus 2d, 594. Okay, let me check it. Then you what you will get? D is minus 3. Yes, here. Simply do not waste the time. Yes, here. The CBA is equal to ABC minus 594 is a condition. And we got that A plus B is equal to 5. Am I right? So now what will we do? CBA, you can expand this. C means it is the third term, that is A plus 2D. And B means it's the second term, A plus B. And A is first term. And expanded form of this, 100 into A plus 2D. Because C is in hundreds place. Plus B means A plus D, 10 into A plus D. Plus A is in this place, that is A is equal to. Similarly, ABC is the A 100 into A, because the first term is A. Here I say A plus B, A plus B, A is A. The next B plus 10 into A plus D plus the next what? C. C is what? C is A plus 2D. Simply it is A plus 2D. So now minus 594. Hope you didn't take minus 594. Did you take minus 594? Minus 594. 852. Okay, original number. Okay. Yes, here 10 into a plus b, 10 into a plus b cancel. Am I right? 100 into a 100a plus 100 twos are 200. 200d plus a is equal to 100a plus a plus 2d minus 594. Am I right? Yes. 100a, 100a cancel. Plus a plus a cancel. 200 and d 200d minus 2d is equal to minus 590. So 190d is equal to minus 594. So now d is equal to minus 594 divided by 198. 198 threes it is. 198 ones are 98 threes are. D is what? Minus 3. D is minus 3. Put D value. Here A plus D is equal to 5. What you will get? A is equal to 8 you will get. A is equal to 8. Now, your first digit is A. A means it is 8. And second digit, 8, 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 is 5. Correct? And third digit, A plus 2D. A is 8, 6 means 2 you will get. Am I right? So 852. 852 is your number, original number. Find the original number. So the original number is 852. Here only you got A plus D, that is 5. Correct? Yes. So 852 is your original number. After that you can cross verify also, you will get say CBA means what? 258. 258 is equal to 852 minus 594. You will get the same answer. Cross verify, simplification, verification. 258, 852 minus 594. You will get 258. So your answer is correct. Hope you can understand this. So any doubts here? Any doubts? Note on fast. Yes, sir. Next question. Note on fast. Only 1 minute time I will do, not more than that. I have to discuss many more questions. The number 56. The number 56 is divided into 4 parts. The number 56 is divided into 4 parts. 4 parts such that they are the terms of AP. Such that they are the terms of AP. They are the terms of AP. If the ratio of the product of, if the ratio of the product of, if the ratio of the product of their extremes to the product of, their means is 5 is to 6, is 5 is to 6. Then find the 4 terms. Then find the 4 terms. Let me repeat the question. The number 56, the number 56 is divided into 4 parts, is divided into 4 parts, such that they are the terms of AP, such to the product of is 5 is to 6. Then find the 4 terms of the question. Then find the 4 terms. Okay, yes, here. So these are all 3 mark questions. Here, the number 56, the number 56 is divided into 4 parts. The number 56 is divided into 4 parts, and those 4 parts in AP. Those parts in an AP. Let's imagine first part is A, second part is A plus D, and the third part is A plus 2D, and the fourth part is a plus 3d. A number 56 is divided into four parts, and each parts are respectively a plus b, a plus 2d, and a plus 3d. And what they said, this 56 is divided into four parts. Then these all four parts together what? 56. Means sum of these all comes together 56. So I can write here a plus 2d plus a plus 3d is equal to 56. 56, okay? So let me simplify this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times of a plus 3d, 2d, 5d, 5d plus 1d, 6d. 6d is equal to 56. So 4 is common. No, sorry. 2 is common. Take it outside. 2a plus 3d is equal to 56. 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 2 8s are. 28 2s are 56. So 2a plus 3d is equal to 28. Call it as equation number 1. The next part of the question is, if the ratio of the product of extremes to the product of their means. Extremes means what? Extremes means first and last term. Extreme, first and last. Mean means middle terms. The product of extremes a into a plus 3d. The product of extremes to the product of means, that is a plus b into a plus 2d is equal to is equal to what? 5 is to 6, this is, yeah, 5 upon 6. 5 is to 6. So now, simplify this one. A into a square. A square plus 3 times of AD. 3 times of AD divided by a into a square. A square plus 2d into a, 2ad. 2 times of AD plus d into AD plus 2d into d, 2 times of d square. 2 times of d square is equal to 5 upon 6. Is equal to 5 upon 6. So now cross multiplication. 6 into bracket a square plus 3 times of ad is equal to 5 into bracket a square plus 2ad plus ad. 3 times of ad plus 2d square as it is. 2d square as it is. So now 6 times of a square plus 6 3s are 18ad is equal to 5 times of a square. 5 3s are 15ad plus 5 2s are 10d square. Am I right? Yes, now we can take this whole terms to left hand side. 6 times of a square plus 18ad minus 5 times of a square minus 15ad minus 10d square is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. This is one method. One more method is that I can solve. Second time I can solve. First time I am using this method a plus b, a plus 2d, a plus 3d. Another one a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 3d. Okay. In that case also we'll get the answer. Don't worry. That I can use. So 6a square minus 5a square, a square plus 18ad minus 15ad, 3ad. Am I right? 3ad minus 10d square. 10d square is equal to 0. Okay. Here, this d square is there and d is there. This d square and d, I can treat it as a constant term. D square and d, I can treat it as a constant term. Okay. So this equation is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. A is 1, b is 3d, b is 3d, and c is 10d. C is 10d, because d square I am treating it as a constant term myself. Okay. So now a square plus 3ad. 3ad I can split it as 5ad minus 2a minus 10d square is equal to 0. So a is common. A into bracket a plus 5d, a plus 5d minus 2d is common. 2d into bracket minus 0 minus 3 plus 5d is equal to 0. One is a plus 5d equal to minus 5d, or a is equal to plus 2d. So you can substitute this a value. Two cases we have. One is minus 5d and the other one is 2d. So first I will take a is equal to 2d and substitute in equation number 1. Put a is equal to 2d. Put a is equal to 2d in equation number 1. In equation number 1. So the equation number 1 is 2 into bracket and a is 2d. 2d plus 3d is equal to 28. 2 into 2 4d. 4d plus 3d is equal to 28. 4d plus 3d 7d is equal to 28. So 7 ones are 7 fours are. D is equal to 4. If D is equal to 4, what about A? A is equal to 8. A is equal to 8. And 56 is divided into 4 parts, and those parts are, one is 8, another one is 8 plus 4 12, another one is 12 plus 4 16, another one is 16 plus 4 20. Okay, 12 plus 8 20, 20 plus 20 40, 40 plus 16 56. The right answer. Okay. So any doubts here? Any doubts? Last play, I am asking you only. Any doubts here? Huh? Who is that? Yellow, dirty fellow. Any doubts? Okay. So next one more question you can note down. Can I solve another method? That one simple, very simple you will get. Okay. So you will get that here a minus 3d into a minus d divided by, sorry, a minus 3d into a plus 3d divided by a minus d into a plus d, a plus b into a minus b. You will get a square minus b square. Directly you will get answer there. Okay. Yes, sir. Next question you can take. So any doubts here? Any doubts here? No doubts? Okay, next question. The sum of three numbers in an arithmetic progression is the sum of three numbers, the sum of three numbers, the sum of three numbers in an arithmetic progression, in an arithmetic progression, the sum of three numbers in an arithmetic progression is 216, is 216, 216. Stop, continue. The biggest number is, the biggest number is 7 times the smallest number. The biggest number is, the biggest number is 7 times the smallest number. 7 times the smallest number. Find the numbers. Find the numbers. Let me read out the question again. The sum of three numbers in an arithmetic progression. The sum of three numbers. Sum of three numbers in an arithmetic progression is 216. Is 216. Instead of continue. The biggest number is, the biggest number is 7 times the smallest number. The biggest number is 7 times the smallest number. Find the numbers. Find the numbers. Yes, sir. So here, three numbers are in an AP, correct? Three numbers. Let us imagine the three numbers are a comma a plus b comma a plus 2d. Here, the bigger number is a plus 2d and the smaller number is a. Bigger number and smaller number. Smaller number is a and the bigger number is a plus 2d. Okay. A last bench. Look at the board. Not you, you. I'm asking you. So remaining can solve, no problem. Last one, do not hide from me. Who is that? Bless you. Get up. Come. This one. Ah, yes. I know you're one of the worst fellow. Come and sit here. Don't play the hide and seek with me. Hero. Don't play hide and seek with me. Easily I can catch you. Yes, sir. The question, the sum of three numbers in an arithmetic progression is 216. Sum of three numbers. Okay, a plus b plus a plus 2d is equal to 216. Sum of three numbers is 216. And one more condition they mentioned there. What is the condition? Uh, the biggest number is, which is the biggest, a plus 2d, third number, t3. T3 I can write. The biggest number is 7 times the smallest number, 7 times the first number. Okay. So that is a plus 2d is equal to 7 times of a. A plus 2d is equal to 7 times of a. So 2d is equal to 7a minus a. So 2d is equal to 6 times of a. 6 to 1 are, 2 3 are. So d is equal to 3 times of a. D is equal to 3 times of a. Here a how many times? 3 times of a plus 2d 3 times of a is equal to 260. 3 is common, take it outside. 3 into bracket. A plus b is equal to 260. 3 ones are, 3 sevens are, 3 twos are. Okay. So a plus b is equal to 70. A plus b is 72. But what is d? D is equal to 3 times of a. A plus 3 times of a is equal to 70. 70. 3a plus a, 4a is equal to 70. 4 ones are, 4 ones are. Remainder 3, 32. 4 8s are. 18 4s are 32. So a is equal to 18. A is equal to 18 and b is equal to 3 into 18. 18 3s are 54. B is equal to 54. Am I right? A is equal to 18 and b is equal to 54. But the question is, what is the question? Find the numbers. Find the numbers. One is 18. First number is 18. Right here. 18 and 54 plus 18, 62, 72. 72 plus 18, 9. Common difference is 54. Sorry? Common difference is 54. First number is 18. Correct. A plus B. 18. 18 plus 54. Yeah. This one you are telling. Oh, sorry. 72 plus 54 I have to make. Yeah, 72 plus 54. 4 plus 2, 6, 126. Yeah. So the numbers 18, 72, 126. I thought second number. So second number already I had 54, third number I didn't get. Okay, no problem. So 18, 72, 126. If you add these three numbers, you will get 260. Correct? Okay. Yes, next question. Next. In an arithmetic progression, in an arithmetic progression, sixth term is in an arithmetic progression. Sixth term in an arithmetic progression. Sixth term. Sixth term is one more than twice the third term. In an arithmetic progression, sixth term is one more than twice the third term. One more than twice the third term. The sum of fourth and fifth terms, the sum of the fourth, the sum of the fourth and fifth terms is 5 times the second term. 5 times the second term. Find the 10th term of the progression. Find the 10th term of the progression. In an arithmetic progression, sixth term is one more than twice the third term. Sixth term is one more than twice the third term. We'll stop, continue. The sum of the fourth and fifth terms is 5 times the second term. Find the 10th term of the AP. Find the 10th term of the AP. So here, what is given? Given data we can write first. Given that. Given that. In an arithmetic progression, sixth term is one more than twice the third term. Sixth term means T6 is one more than twice the third term. Two types of T3 plus 1. Sixth term is one more than twice the third term. The sum of the fourth and fifth terms, sum of the fourth and fifth, T4 plus T5, sum of the fourth and fifth terms, 5 times the second term. 5 times the second term. Okay. Find the 10th term of the AP. Find the 10th term. Teacher, we need to calculate. So this is the question. So we calculate, right? Yes, what is the answer? Huh? 29. Then no need to solve this. Simple one. 29. How many of you got this? Raise your hands. See this side. Replace here. Nothing. You are used for nothing. Many times I told you. Just hands down. Why are you going to school, man? Huh? Because you want to do something. Play, Karal, I am telling you only. If you are here, means do something. You are not able to solve simple questions. Yes. Did you get answer? Here. First row. Pritam Patila. No. Yes, next question you can take. Next question. The sum of first n terms of an arithmetic progression is the sum of first n terms. The sum of first n terms. The sum of first n terms of an arithmetic progression is 5n 5n minus n square. 5n minus n square. The sum of first n terms of an arithmetic progression is 5n minus n square. We'll stop, continue. Write the progression. Write the progression. Write the progression. Question mark. Continue. Find the 21st term. Find the 21st term. And also find sum of first 21 terms of the progression. And also find sum of first 21 terms of the progression. The sum of first n terms of an arithmetic progression is 5n minus n square. Sn is equal to what? 5n minus n square. So first you need to write arithmetic progression. So you mean that you need to calculate what? A and D. A and D. Here first you can write S1. S1 is nothing but T1 is nothing but A first term is equal to 5 into 1, 5 minus 1 square, 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. So your first term is 4. Next, S2 you can calculate. What is the meaning of S2? Sum of first two terms, that is T1 plus T2. T1 plus T2 is equal to, just substitute 2 in 5 and minus n square. 5 into 2, 10. 5 2s are 10. 2 square, 4. 10 minus 4 is 6. What is this 6? Not a second term. What is this 6? Sum of first and second term is 6. Correct? Are you getting me? S2 is not a T2. S2 is sum of first two terms. So given is Sn. Given is Sn. If you substitute the n value as 2, you will get sum of first two terms, not only a second term. So now S2 is equal to T1 plus T2. So 2 you substituted here, 5 2s are 10 and 2 square is 4, 10 minus 4 is 6. Sum of first and second term is 6, but first term is already we know that is 4. So what about second term? Second term is 2. T1 is 4 and T2 is 6. Correct? Correct? Am I right? No. T2 is what? T2 is 2. T2 is 2. What about T3? minus 2, 2, 2 minus 2, 0. It is 0. What about T4? Minus. Okay. So the arithmetic progression is 4, comma 2, comma 0, comma minus 2, so on. This is arithmetic progression. And after that, he has to calculate 21st term. T21, you need to calculate T21. And after that, S21. T21. T21 is nothing but A plus 20D. A plus 20D. What is D? D is equal to T2 minus T1. 2 minus 4. Minus D is minus. And A is 4. 4 plus 20 into D is minus 22 is 40. So 4 plus into minus minus 22 is 40. So minus 36. T21st is minus 36. Again asked to calculate S21. S21 is equal to 21 upon 2 into A plus L. Formula is N upon 2 into A plus L. Sn is equal to N upon 2 into A plus L. Because last time we calculated, that is minus 36. So S21 is equal to 21 upon 2 into A is 4 and minus 36. Am I right? It's now S21 is equal to 21 upon 2 into bracket 4 minus 36 minus 32. 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 3. 16 ones are 16. 16 twos are 32 plus 130 minus 336. So sum of first 21 terms of NEP is minus 336. Okay, total first. Next question. Take next question. The sum of the interior angles of a polygon. The sum of interior angles of a polygon of n sides is n minus 2 into 180 degree. N minus 2 into 180 degree. Sum of interior angles of a polygon of n sides is n minus 2 into bracket 180 degree. The interior of a pentagon, the interior angles of a pentagon, the interior angles of a pentagon are in AP. The interior angles of a pentagon are in AP. Are in arithmetic progression. We'll stop continue. If the smallest angle is 72 degree, if the smallest angle is 72 degree, if the smallest angle is 72 degree, then find the angles of a pentagon. Then find the angles of a pentagon. Then find the angles of a pentagon. Okay, yes, here. Stop writing. Ritesh, you can do both. Polygon, you know. What is the meaning of polygon? Polygon means what? Yes, anyone? Anyone? Last, can you tell? Huh? Can you tell, man? You are in 10th standard. We have studied polygon chapter when you were in 6th standard. Correct? When you were in 6th standard, that time you have studied polygon chapter. What is polygon? Polygon means what? Yes. Sit and tell loudly. I am not getting your voice. Closed figure with many sides is called polygon. Sit down. A closed figure made up of only line segments is called polygon. A closed figure, it is made up of only line segments is called polygon. Triangle, three sides, correct? Triangle, then after that quadrilateral, then after that pentagon, then after that hexagon, then after that octagon, then after that the hexagon, septa or octa, hepta, septa or hepta, then octa, then nona. Huh? Triangle. How many sides? Three sides. And interior angle sum property? Huh? 180 degrees. The next quadrilateral, four sides and four angles. Interior angle sum property? 360 degrees. What is this n minus 2 into 180 degree? Here they mentioned n minus 2 into 180 degree. What is this? Huh? This is the formula to calculate interior angle sum property of polygon. This is the formula to calculate interior angle sum property of a polygon. Triangle has three sides. If you substitute 3 here, 3 minus 2, 1, 180. Quadrilateral has four sides. 4 minus 2, 2. 180 into 2, 360. Are you getting me? Similarly, pentagon. Pentagon has five sides. 5 minus 2, 3. 180 into 3, 540. Correct. So now I want to speak about exterior angle sum property. Interior you know very well. Then what about exterior angle sum property? What is the exterior angle sum property of triangle? Exterior angle sum property of triangle. Anybody? Huh? 180. 360. What about quadrilateral? Huh? Exterior angle sum property is same for all the polygons. It will not differ from polygon to polygon. It is same. It is fixed. It is constant. 360 degree. But interior angle sum property is differ from polygon to polygon. Okay. So n minus 2 into 180 degree is a formula to calculate interior angle sum property of a polygon. Here n indicates the number of sides. N indicates number of sides. So now in this example, pentagon they have mentioned. Pentagon has five sides. So interior angle sum property of pentagon 540 degree. And the angles of pentagon are in an arithmetic progression. Are in an arithmetic progression. A, B, C, D, E. Imagine this is the pentagon. Pentagon. First angle, second angle, third angle, fourth angle, and fifth angle. First angle is A, second angle A plus B, third angle A plus 2D, and fourth angle A plus 3D, and the last fifth angle A plus 4D. And these all are angles in an arithmetic progression. These all angles are in arithmetic progression. Here the smallest angle is A. It measures 72 degree. So now A plus B, A plus 2D, A plus 3D plus A plus 4D is equal to 540 degree. Then substitute it, calculate all the angles. Yes. Tell angles. First angle A 70 degree. Then second angle. Huh? 90. What is the common difference? Common difference 18. Yes. Second angle 90. Third angle 108. Fourth angle huh? 126. The next 140. 54. Common difference 28 is it? 18. 18, 1, yes, correct. So these are the angles 70 to 90, 108 degree, 126 degree, and 144 degree. Okay. So any doubts here? One more example, note down. The angles of a quadrilateral. The angles of a quadrilateral. The angles of a quadrilateral are in arithmetic progression. The angles of a quadrilateral are in arithmetic progression. Stop, continue. If the sum of pair of if the sum of pair of opposite angles, if the sum of pair of opposite angles is 130 degree, is 130 degree, is 130 degree, then find the angles of the quadrilateral. Then find the angles of the quadrilateral. The angles of a quadrilateral are in arithmetic progression. Are in arithmetic progression. We stop, continue. If the sum of the pair of if the sum of the pair of opposite angles is 130 degree, opposite angles is 130 degree, then find the angles of the quadrilateral. Then find the angles of the quadrilateral. Okay. See here. So here is one quadrilateral. ABCD is one quadrilateral here, and the angles are in arithmetic progression. So this is A, and this is A plus D, and A plus 2D, and A plus 3. And next point is sum of pair of opposite angles. A plus 2D is equal to 130 degree. So this is the given data. Asked to calculate all the angles, all the measures. Okay. Are you finished with it? Normally, don't tell that. Yes or no? Huh? See, only one condition is given. A and A plus 2D is 130 degree. A 2 times of A plus 2D is equal to 130 degree. 2 is common, take it outside. 2 into bracket. A plus D is equal to 130 degree. 130 degree. 2 ones are 2 threes are. So A plus D is 65 are. 65 A plus D is 65 degree. A plus B is 65 degree. Then again, sum of all the angles measures 360 degree. A plus B plus A plus 2D plus A plus 3D is equal to 360. You can take this one R. A plus D and A plus 3D. How much? A plus D and A plus 3D? Huh? A plus 2D is 130 degree. A plus D and A plus 3D together 130. Then it's a quadrilateral, man. Interior angles and property of quadrilateral is 360 degree. 360 minus 130, 230. Am I right? So A plus D and A plus 3D together 230 degree. Two ways you have to solve this. Yes. 65, 90, 150, 90. Somewhere it is not 5 extra. Yeah, anyway, simple question, man. Don't take much time. Simple one it is. See here, I will solve here. A plus 3D plus A plus D together 230 degree. 230 degree. One pair is 130, another pair. Another opposite pair is 230. So now A plus D already calculated, that is 65. A plus 3D is equal to 230 minus 65. A plus 3D is equal to 165. Am I right? Huh? 165 plus 65. 20. Yeah, 230. So now we can calculate these two, A and A plus 2D. Here, A plus B is equal to 65 is there. A is equal to 65 minus d. Substitute this here. 65 minus d plus 2d is equal to, well, this 65 minus d 130, right? 130 degree. Here we calculated a 65 minus d. Correct. And here is 130. Where? Huh? 2a plus 2d is 130. A plus 2d 130. From this only I write this, na? A is equal to 65 minus d. From this if you write this means you will get error here. Am I right? Then what to do? Here is that a plus 3d, a plus 2d 230. You will get in the form of a and d. There also you will get in the form of a and d. By elimination method you will calculate, you will get a and d separately. Huh? Yes, a is equal to what? 15. A is equal to 15. A plus d 60. 65. A plus d 65. You calculated already. 65. A plus 2d. A plus 2d. Huh? 115. Then a plus 3d calculated. A plus 3d 165. Add this, you will get 360 degree. Okay, next question. Next question you can take. So this is the last question. I can wind up the class very soon. An arithmetic progression contains 30 terms. An arithmetic progression. An arithmetic progression contains 30. An arithmetic progression contains 30 terms. Contains 30 terms. Full stop, continue. Full stop, continue. 17th, 17th, 1 7. 4 more than thrice of its fifth term. 4 more than thrice of its fifth term. Continue. The 10th term of the progression is 31. The 10th term of the progression is 31. Find the last three terms. Find the last three terms of the progression and also find the progression. An arithmetic progression contains 30 terms. So total number of terms are 30. And here 17th term of the progression is means D17. 17th term of the progression is 4 more than thrice of its fifth term. 4 more than thrice of its fifth term. 4 more than thrice of its fifth term. 10th term of the progression is 31. It is 31. Find the last three terms. Find the last three terms. T28, T29, T30 we can calculate. So T17, A plus 16D is equal to 3 into T5, A plus 4D plus 4. So A plus 16D, 3A plus 3 4s are 12D plus 4. 3A plus 3 4s are 12D plus 4. So I can take this to right hand side. 3A plus 12D minus A minus 16D is equal to minus 4. 3A plus 12D. And I took it right hand side, that is minus A minus 16D. And I took this as left hand side, that is minus 4. Correct? So now 3A minus A, 2 times of A, plus 12D minus 16D minus 4D is 1 2 a minus 2d is equal to minus 2. A minus 2d is equal to minus 2. So now we can take this one. T10 is equal to 31. T10 we can write it as a plus 9d is equal to 31. And a is equal to 31 minus 90. A is 31 minus 90. Substitute A value in equation number 1. A value in equation number 1. Call it as equation number 1. That is 31 minus 90. Any doubts? Now, instead of A, I can take it 31 minus 90 minus 2d is equal to minus 2. And this 31 moves to right hand side, become minus 31 minus 90 minus 2d minus 11d is equal to minus 33. This 31 moves to right hand side. Minus minus get cancelled. 11 1 11 3 za. So d is equal to 3. D is equal to 3. Put the value in equation number 2 or in equation number A. Put the value in equation number A or equation number 2. So A is equal to 31 minus 9 into 3. So A is equal to 31 minus 9, 3 is 27. So A is equal to 4. 27 plus 4, 31. A is equal to 4. Asked to calculate last three terms. So the last three terms are, they said that an AP 30 terms. An AP contains 30 terms. So the last term is 30, last from second 29, and last from third 28. T30, T29, T28. So A plus 29D, A plus 28D, and A plus 27D. So A is 4. 4 plus 29 into D is 3. 29 3s are 87. 87 plus 4, 91. So last term is 91. Then 4 plus 28 into 3. 3 8s are 24. 3 2s are 6. 84, right? 84 plus 4, 88. So similarly, 27 is 4 plus 27 into 3. 3 7s are 21, 3 2s are 81, 81 plus 4, 85. 88, 91. Correct? And asked to calculate first three terms. T1, T2, T3. T1 is A plus D, and A plus 2D. A is 4, 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 3, 10. Okay? 4 more questions. So any doubts here? Okay. Homework you can note down. Homework note down. I think already I have solved this question. The pth term of the arithmetic progression is Q. I solved this question. So once again you can practice this. The pth term, the pth, P, letter P, pth term of an arithmetic progression is Q. The pth term of an arithmetic progression is Q. And Q term is P. And Q term is P. And Q term is P. Through that, rth term, rth term of the progression is, P plus Q plus Q minus R. P plus Q minus R. The P term of the arithmetic progression is Q, and Q term is P, and Q term is P. Through that R term is P plus Q minus R. One more question. You can note down. I think I didn't solve this question. Did I solve this in regular classes? Solved. You can check it once. So one more question. This one I solved. If the pth term of the arithmetic progression is A, I'm sure this one I solved already. If the pth term of the arithmetic progression is A, comma qth term is B, and rth term is C, then prove that A into Q minus R, plus B into R minus P plus C into P minus Q. C into P minus Q is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. So, can you tell me tomorrow which chapter can I take? Which chapter you want? In which chapter you are facing the difficulties? Yes. Triangles can you take tomorrow? Triangles, similarity of triangles, numericals you can take. Okay? Yes, I will continue next class. Go now.